All right, so Google's Notebook LM took the world by storm when they started allowing people to make podcast summaries of their data or research, and it was conversational and it was awesome. But now that feature is also in the free version of Brisk. So I'm using this executive order that I mentioned in my newsletter that goes out this week called Buff Nuggets. And I'm going to use Brisk to make a podcast summary. So maybe I have students in my classroom, or I want to hear it in a different way. I want a summary of it. I don't want to read the whole thing because it is very long. So if I click my Brisk button, we're going to Brisk it. I do get the podcast option right here. And I have options like, how long do I want this to be? Do I want it to be tied to a standard? So I'm going to say, I need this for a university level. Like, this is for me. I want a summary for myself. So I'm going to say, create an educational podcast about this website, giving me a summary that is custom and meaningful to a teacher. And I had a misspelling there, but we're just going to keep it and let's hit it. Let's see what happens. And what's really neat about this, maybe even compared to Google's Notebook LM, is we actually get to see the process. It's already read that content. It is now summarizing it and putting it in a podcast format, conversational format, where we have two people talking back and forth. And it does take a little while to build this out, but I'm going to go ahead and play it. We're not going to wait for the whole thing, but I'm going to go ahead and play it. And I don't know if you'll be able to hear this or not, so just trust me, just in case you don't, which is really sad, but let's just try it.
Welcome to our podcast on the Presidential Action for Advancing Artificial Intelligence Education. I'm Maria Rodriguez, and today we're diving into a groundbreaking initiative that could reshape how we approach technology education in America.
That's right, Maria. This executive order is essentially a comprehensive blueprint for integrating AI education across multiple learning levels, from K to 12.
All right, I'm going to stop it right there. It is... Yeah, it's not. They do not sound like robots, but it's not the high quality or highest of quality when it comes to conversational AI voices. But it's good, and I'm using a free version of Brisk, and I can share this easily. So if I click this little button right here, that link it's a public link, and anybody can enjoy this podcast. It's probably still building it out. I think we're about done. Actually, it says it's about 1:40. And there you go. Brisk has a podcast option. So if you enjoyed this, please be sure to subscribe, like, tell a friend, leave a comment, and tell me how this could be impactful in your setting. Hey, thanks for watching.